So, yung tradition po ay mag-continue. And in the year 2012 po, she was awarded the Gamaba for her role in preserving and promoting Ilocano hand-woven textile heritage, making her a living symbol po ng Filipino artistry and craftsmanship. Ito po yung example ng kanyang work. Kitang-kita naman po natin na ang ganda po nito and hindi po natin aakalain na purely by her hand and independent niya po itong ginawa. Next po is si Estelita Bantilan. Born on the year 1940, siya po ay isang bilaan at master din po sa textile weaver from Sarangani. Siya po ay kilala sa kanyang exceptional skill in weaving, ikat-inspired bilaan textile. And yung pong kanyang mga weaving ay nagre-reflect po sa identity, stories, and values ng Bilaan people. Ibig sabihin po, in simpler terms, ang kanya pong mga craft ay hindi lang basta idea. Ito po ay may deeper meaning na nagre-represent po kung saan siya nagmula at kung ano nga ba yung pinagdaraanan ng mga tao dito. She helped revive and sustain bilaan weaving traditions of a time when forever young women were practicing the craft. Para po i-preserve yung tradition na ito, she founded the Lam Lifewell Tribal Women's Association. Napakaganda pong way nito para ma-preserve yung kinagisnan nila. And this is where she teaches weaving and supports community livelihood through traditional crafts. And noong pong 2016, thankfully, si Estelita Bantilan po ay naka-receive ng Gawad sa Manilikha ng Bayan dahil po sa kanyang napakahalagang role in safeguarding and promoting bilaan traditional weaving. Ito po yung example ng kanyang bilaan weaving para po natin siyang maikukumpara o ihahalin tulad sa tinatawag po nating banig dito sa Batangas. However, ito po ay may sariling meaning and it is from the idea and stories of her kapwa bilaan po. And next is si Ambalang Ausadib. She was born on 1943 and died in year 2022. Siya po ay isang yakan master in Basilan din po. Widely recognized for her skill in creating the tenun, especially in binuwaya and sepulungan designs. At natutunan po niya ang pag-weave sa kanyang ina. And after po nun, she spent all her life in preserving and perfecting the traditional techniques. Yung kanya pong trabaho or yung kanya pang work, it is required careful dyeing ng mga natural fibers and precise thread counting. Si Ausolin po ay talagang dedicated sa pagtuturo ng mga younger yakan women at ini-ensure po niya na yung kanilang weaving tradition ay magpapatuloy at hindi mawawaglit. Her guidance helped keep Yakan cultural heritage alive and respected. And in the year 2016 rather, just like the others, she was awarded as Gamaba for her significant contribution for safeguarding and passing on Yakan weaving traditions. And ito po yung example nung weaving ni Ambalang. Kung mapapansin po natin, para po siyang hat. Kasi sa Basilan po ay medyo hot ang weather, kaya kinakailangan po nilang protektahan ang kanilang sarili sa init, but with the twist of their heritage. Makikita po natin dito yung iba't ibang patterns and a colorful hat which symbolizes their region. And last but not the least is Yabing Masalan Dulo. She was also a bilaan master. So, kotang-kota po pala talaga dito ang mga bilaan. Siya po naman po ay taga South Cotabato. Siya po ay kilala as weaving ikat pattern textile created through a dye-resist technique. Natutunan po niya ang pag-weave sa kanya pang mga ninuno and siya po ang kinilala na huling huli at huling naging skill bearer ng kanilang traditional tabi weaving. To preserve ang kanilang tradition, tinuruan din po niya, just like the others, she taught other younger women in her community to make bilaan, ensuring that the Mabal Tabi would continue to be practiced. And also, in the year 2016, she was recognized as a Gamaba awardee. And this is the example of her craft, full of textile patterns that symbolizes their identity. And thank you for listening, everyone. May we all preserve our own identity and culture because this is who we are. This is what recognize us Filipinos. Kasi sabi nga po din ni Lian kanina na kahit yung mga simple way makakatulong po. Because I do believe that our micro efforts could have a macro effect. Once again, I am Tristan Angelo Mendoza.
I am Lian Summer Gubar Manas.
I am Ginger Plata.
And thank you po.